What you got going on up in the kitchen, Roch? What you got, some collard greens, some black eyed peas, fried chicken?
What's up, guys? And welcome to my channel, Whatcha Cookin Roch. Alright? And for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love. Alright? So, today, I got my Misfit market box. Alright? Now, you want to know what this box is all about, don't you? I'm going to tell you. It is a box of vegetables and fruit that are imperfect. Now, there's a couple other companies, you know, Imperfect Fruits and other places out there that sell imperfect vegetables and fruits. This one I chose, popped up, said I'd give it a try, had a promo code. I got the deluxe box, so depending on the size of your family, you can go on the website and check it out and order as you want. Now, in this box, like I said, I got the deluxe box, so I was able to go in and choose the vegetables that I wanted that were in season, I would imagine, I guess, you know, what they have available. And I chose the vegetables and the fruits that I wanted, okay? So, we're going to get this started because I'm excited, all right? Let's see what's inside of it, okay? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. All right, first of all, let's see. It says, always affordable, occasional, funny looking fruit. See, I told you. All right. So, this is a big box. Like I said, I got a little ahead of myself because I was so excited. All right, well, got the little cover there. Let's see the box and then you see what it looks like. All right. Let's see there. Let's see how this looks. Whoa. Oh boy, look at that. I see some baby lettuce popping off in there. Some green leafy stuff. Let's pull out and see what's going on, y'all. Alright, so let's, how we want to do this? We want to do it like this? Let's do it like that, alright? Okay, let's do it like that. See what that's like. Let's give it a nice little show. Show and tell. I probably don't need to be doing all this. Nope, yep, see, I told you that. Always doing, I'm always doing the most. Okay, so let's see. Got our baby lettuce. Let's see, that's what they mean. Not perfect. You see that? Look how they look. Nice. All right, we're going to pause it for a minute. I think my grandson is here. Okay, y'all? I'll be right back. My grandson just pulled up. He messing up the live. He messing it up. Hey, y'all. My grandson popped up in the mix. There you go. I don't know if y'all can see his old bean head, but he in there. So, where was we? Alright, so I was all excited. So, look, we got some romaine, baby lettuce. And see how it is? It's not that great, you know, but I can work with that. Does it? Really? Alright, so let's see what else we got in here. Let's see. Hold on, let me see. I gotta go. Oh, now I think, watch out so people can see. So I think this is some type of squash. Let's see what that is. It looks rotten, but you know.
Can you open it?
Yes. Okay. See, I gotta open up the Twinkie now. We can't even do the reveal, right? Because Braden showed up. All right, now let me see what else we got. Oh, this is kale. Well, I mean, I've always wanted to try some kale. All right. Uncle Monty is hanging out with his friends in Chicago. Okay, now this looked like a pear. This is a red pear. All right. You see that? That's a red pear. Let me see that. I got a little glare going on with my glasses here. Grandma? Yes. The sun's coming down on the other end. All right, there you go, y'all. There go another one of these pears. Let me see. Don't mess with the camera, boy. All right. We got a potato. Well, now these pears and this fruit I'm digging. We're going to definitely try these out. All right, more pears.
That's mine. That's
oh, I don't know what the hell that did.
That's my juice.
She's up. You messing with the... Get back. That's your juice. Ah, he just all in the mix, y'all. All right, y'all. So that's another potato. All right, now let's see what that. Now that might look like. I think this might be a family of sweet potatoes. I think that might be sweet potato, man. All right, let me put you guys over here, like so. Now, this is quite a big box. I know I'm gonna probably use these potatoes. I'll figure out something to make this with. We can saute these here, I'm sure. I'm getting quite a few potatoes. I see that. Yeah.
I'm on my TV downstairs.
Okay, all right. Let's finish letting the people see what I got in my box, okay? All right, so don't hit the thing there. So we got about a few of them. We got 3 of them, and I'm still pulling stuff out, y'all. More potatoes. All right.
Potatoes.
No potatoes. You definitely gonna have to be rinsing this stuff off, y'all. Y'all know that, right? Okay? I hope you realize.
I'm right here, guys.
Ain't nobody think. Alright, so let's see what else we got. I'm still pulling, y'all. Alright, we got some more of that lettuce. That ain't no big deal. I can use this. Yeah, not bad. I can use that. I can make sandwiches with that. Oh, snap. We got a mango. Got your mango. Got your mango. Got your mango. More fruit. More fruit. More. Now, see. Now, that's right here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this right here. I think it's a turnip beet or something. I don't know. We're going to figure that out, Brayden. We're going to figure that out, Brayden. Ooh, another mango. Definitely got to eat these today. Soon. Real soon. Okay? Because they're really ripe. All right. See, we got some celery up in here. Huh. How about that? I was getting ready to buy some celery.
I'm going to pick one.
You going to pick one? I was going to buy some celery today, too. I'm glad I did. See how that rotten that is? Look at that. Now, that's going in the garbage. That's a little disappointing. All right, so that's why you want to show what the shit looks like. Okay, you see that shit? All right, I had to cuss on that one.
That's nasty.
Excuse me for cussing. And then, but the cider looked good. It's decent. It's decent. And let me tell you, this box, I forgot to tell you, this box I spent $40 on. Okay, after taxes, it's $40. So do your math. They got $20-something, 22 boxes, but you know, just try something out.
That's a butt.
Ew. What? The butt? It looked like a butt. I didn't say that. Said it looked like
It looks like a butt head.
Yeah, we got, okay, y'all, put more stuff out. Oh, we got, what's that right there? Let me get my glasses back on, y'all. I can't see what this is. Oh, this is a butter squash.
They get in the trunk.
You know what, y'all?
They get in the trunk.
I'm just going to say this box
They
is
get in
bogus.
the trunk in the car.
Let me tell these people, I think this box is a little bogus, but it's all good. You know, we got stuff in there. Look at that. Got some onion and stuff. I can always use onion, though I got a big old bag of onion, because like I said, I forgot I ordered this bag. And I was over at Sam's Club and bought all my stuff. All right, it's not too bad. I'm wondering, if I plant these and put this in some water, I probably can regrow these. Huh? What do you guys think? I think so. Yeah, I got my glasses on now, y'all. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, yeah, this box is a little bit questionable. No, they didn't put a little head of cabbage up in this joint. But you know what? I can saute that or make some coleslaw or something. All right, you know. All right, y'all. I think we about done with this box. Pray, thank the Lord Jesus. It was so much stuff that now I gotta figure out what to make with it. Okay?
It was so much nasty stuff.
You know, it's not so nasty, Brayden, but Granny got to figure out what to make with it now. All right, y'all? Okay, y'all. So, hey, that's that Misfit market box.
That's
man.
nasty.
See, Brayden, you keep hitting the camera, man. That's nasty. Yeah, that's. I hope that didn't contaminate the whole box.
We eat that.
We ain't eat none of that. Come get your stuff from over here and stop hitting my tripod before I come over there and get you. All right, y'all. There you guys have it.
Bye, guys.
I don't know what to say. I'm gonna figure out something. Okay, y'all. Until then, y'all, thanks for joining me with this reveal, this opening up my box. I was glad I was able to share it with you guys and make fun and joke about it. All right, y'all? So, you already know. You're not living if you're not living. That's stupid. All right, y'all. You only live once, so live life and have fun. All right? I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.
Have chips too?
Mm-hmm.